Good morning, our student. Today we will complete lesson 1 in unit 4, the relations between the angles. Vertically opposite angle, VOA. If two straight lines intersect, then the measures of each two vertically opposite angles are equal. In the opposite figure, if the two straight lines AB and CD intersect at M, then angle AMC and angle BMD are vertically opposite angles. Then measure angle AMC equal measure angle BMD. Also, angle CMB and angle AMD are vertically opposite angle also. Then measure angle CMB equal measure angle AMD. The accumulative angles at a point. The sum of the measures of the accumulative angle at a point is 360 degrees. In the opposite figure, MA, MB, MC, and MD are rays having the same starting point M. The angles AMB, BMC, CMD, and DMA are called accumulative angles at a point M. Hence we get measure angle AMB plus measure angle BMC plus measure angle CMD plus measure angle DMA equal 90 degree plus 40 degree plus 70 degree plus 160 degree equal to 360 degree. The angle bisector. It is the ray that divides the angle into half. Two equal angles in measure. In the opposite figure, MB bisect angle AMC. Then measure angle AMB equal measure angle BMC equal half measure AMC, half to the measure angle AMC, or measure angle AMC equal to measure angle AMB equals to measure angle BMC. Now more exercise. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, the sum of the measure of the accumulative angle at a point equals 360 degrees. Number 2, the sum of the measures of the accumulative 3 angles at a point. 2, the sum of the measures of the accumulative 5 angles at a point. Smaller than, bigger than, equal or bigger than or equal. Here, the sum of the measure of accumulative angle in general equal 360. Whatever 3 or 5 or 6 or 7 angle, the answer will be 360. So the answer will be equals. Each two vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. Number 4, if two straight lines intersect, then each two angles have the same measure. Then each two vertically opposite angles have the same measure. The angle of measure 46 vertically opposite to an angle whose measure is vertically opposite, it means equal. The two angles are equal in measure. So 46 equals to 46. Number 6. In the opposite figure, MA bisects the angle BAC. Then measure angle BAC equal what? We studied the bisector angle. It means divided this angle into equal half. So the angle CAM equals 38. Then measure angle MAB equal 38. So all the angles CAB or BAC equals 38 plus 38 equals to 76. Number 6, in the opposite figure, measure angle CMB equals to what? This is the accumulative angle around the point M, so the sum of this angle must be to equal 360. So the measure angle CMB plus the measure angle BMA plus the measure angle AMC equals to 360. So measure angle CMB equals 360 minus 100 plus 130 equals to 130 degrees. Number 7, in the opposite figure, the straight line AB intersect with the straight line DC equals to M. Measure angle AMC. Here I have the intersection two straight line, so the two vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. So measure angle AMC equal to the measure angle DMB. So measure angle AMC equals to 150 degrees. In the opposite figure, the two straight line AB intersect with CD equal to M, then the value of X equal what? Solution. How to solve this question? Before it, we studied if I have two straight line intersect, then I have two vertically opposite angles. So since the two straight line AB intersect with CD at M, then measure angle DMA equal to the measure angle BMC equals to 40 degrees as vertically opposite angle. Then measure angle BMC equals to 40 degrees. Now we can replace the measure angle BMC to 2x. So 2x equals to 40. Then the value of x equal 40 degrees divided 2 equals to 20 degrees. So the value of x equal 20 degrees. In the opposite figure, measure angle AMC equals what? Solution. Since the sum of the measures of the accumulative angle equals 360, then measure angle AMC plus measure angle CMB plus measure angle BMA equals to 360 at accumulative angle. Then each angle equal 360 divided 3, because I have here 3 angles, equals 120 degrees. So measure angle AMC equals to 120 degrees. In the opposite figure, the two straight line AB intersect with DF at M. ME bisects angle AMD. Measure angle FMB equals to 70 degrees. Find number 1, measure angle AMF. Number 2, measure angle AMD. Number 3, measure angle DME. Solution. To find measure angle AMF at first. Since AB is a straight line, then measure angle FMB plus measure angle AMF equals 180. Then measure angle AMF equal 180 degree minus 70 degree equals to 110 degree. This is number 1. Okay, number 2, to find measure angle AMD. Since AB intersection with DF as a straight line at M, then measure angle FMB equal to the measure angle AMD equal 70 degree as vertically opposite angle. So the measure angle AMD equals to 70 degree. Number 3, to find measure angle DME. Since ME bisects the angle AMD, then measure angle DME equal have measure angle AMD equal 70 degree divided 2 equals to 35 degree, and this is the number 3. Now you have two exercises. You must solve it by yourself. At the end, thanks for your listening.